So a small update for what's going on here now with our Forex robots. By the way, if you want to run this robot you see here now, Forex Diamond, you find link below the video and you can get started with this robot also today. This one costs a little money, but I'm going to show it here now in live account from now on. But the ones you're here for is basically this one. It's a news trader. We did not get any trades today. I had only on high impact news. I have not changed it for every single pair here, it's 3 pairs, to medium. So we will see how we will do with that till tomorrow. So it's just basically 1 day left of the market open. That's why I did also have this one, so we get some trades here also. And let's see how we will do them. I think I will put news filter on this one because this one is not trading news and we have a news trader, so why not? Now let's see. Avoid news. Yes, let's avoid news. Include medium news. Let's skip that also, just so we have done that. So this is all on a small account. As you can see, the balance is only $139, and we are running now 2 robots. Like I said, one that is for news, and this one here, if this one wants to load up again. Not sure what's going on here now. Let's try again. Let's put the reset button and OK. Now he should start up. But by the way, like I said, if you want to run these robots, you can too, and there will be an update tomorrow. For you, it will be the same day. I will not upload this video today, and then we can tomorrow see how these robots have done. And that will be one video. Basically, what you see this will be Friday, and the market is closed. Not sure. There it loaded up. Okay, so then we have everything up and running. So then we'll see in a bit. So I have now been running the robots for around 2 days. Let's see how you're done. But before I do that, if you want to run this robot Forex Diamond, you'll find a link below the video and you can buy this robot and get started with this robot today. Or if you want the free robots I'm showing you, you will find a link up there right now and you can download these robots today. Okay, but now let's take a look at how they have been doing. So first about Forex Diamond. Most of the trades are actually done by this robot. I think was just one trade. There you can have it, and it's just a small $0.02 profit. Basically there were no big news that made big market moves. But the thing is, you're not losing money with these free robots you can get through here. But when it comes to this Forex Diamond, this one made us basically almost $2 profit. Nothing to jump up and down for, but our balance is also not so much. You can see our balance are now at 142-ish, so we are getting there. So I will now let the robot just run the rest of the day, and whatever happened today, that will come in the video next Friday. These videos will from now on be one each Friday, and I will make video every single day so you can see what's happening. But the resume of every video will come every Friday for this new robots we are showing for Forex. So with that, have an amazing weekend, and if you want to follow me on this journey, get these free robots, and if you want to have the paid robot, you can do so too. You find the link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.